Welcome to A Taste of K. In this video, I'll show you how I clean and marinate beef to make Haitian legume. I have 1 pound of beef neck bone, 1.5 pound beef for stew, lemon and lime, salt, vinegar, and hot boiling water. The meat that I purchased was already pre-cut. I'll go through each piece of meat and trim the fat. I will also cut any big piece of meat into smaller pieces. After trimming the fat, I am ready to clean the meat with lemon and lime, salt, as well as vinegar. Pour hot water over the meat and let it sit for 5 minutes. Drain and rinse under cold water. Add 2 serving spoons of épices. Add 1 package of chicken bouillon powder or cube. Add the juice of 1 lime. Add ground cloves, paprika, and red pepper flakes. Mix the seasoning into the meat so that every piece of meat is covered with the seasonings. Let the meat marinate for 4 hours or overnight. In the next video, I'll show you how I use this marinated beef meat to make Haitian legume. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.